I've dropped about 45 or 50 pounds since I last updated any of my personal branding image. So I'm about to go do some new headshots as my face is smaller and whatever. And then I started playing with some portraits the other day too, which I really liked. And I may do a few more of those, but trying to do my own headshot is, let me show you how I do the personal headshot thing. I've got my normal headshot set up, ready to go, and I will stand in front of the camera. I don't have a trigger for photographing myself, but what I do have is a mouse. This is just a lighting test shot, make sure everything is dialed in. I always work tethered, and I'm working into Capture One, so I put my cursor over the trigger release button in Capture One, and I can trigger the camera. Inevitably, when I show people this, there will always be somebody in the comments, normally several somebodies, who will go, well, why don't you just use the self timer on the camera? A couple of reasons. One, I don't want to. And really, that should get the job done. But two, it's because that would mean that every time I took a shot, I would have to run back over to the camera and reset and then go back and forth. So there's no way for me to get into like just a natural flow of moving around. So by having my mouse, I can hold this in my hand, which isn't in frame, and I can just click away. But hey, if you don't wanna do it this way, that's cool. You don't have to. But this is how I do it.